You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Warning, Steve is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this page.
Hey y'all, I'm back with a new video. Just hired some old people to load my car. But yeah, great day of garage sales. Found some awesome stuff. I think I made a little kid cry, but that's okay. Let's check it out.
How's it going?
Not bad, yourself?
Living the dream.
Sweet.
Either one of us. I'll have one like I knew. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving. You too. Lots of fun. Or sides. Good stuff.
This game was probably the best one of the bunch. Is this really 10 or?
Buy the box, I'll give you Selena for free.
Are the games a certain price or?
It was 50 cents each.
Oh, here we
You
go.
want to make an offer on the whole box?
No, I don't want the whole box. 50 cents a game? Shit, I'll take them all. Sure, yeah. Will fit. I'll do it in 2 sections. There's 15 of them in here.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I want it.
No, I'm gonna get it. Sorry.
I wanted it. So that's too big. Piggy, let's go. Let's go to another garage sale.
What is that Miller Lite thing down there?
Oh, he bought it.
Oh, he bought it, okay. This is just missing the
glass case
glass?
for the top.
okay. I'm gonna get that too. How much are these?
Do they have stickers on them? $3 a piece.
3? Oh yeah, okay. 3, 3, 7. I think it's 25. 10 plus 750 plus 775. So
Perfect.
cool.
25. So What's going on?
I'm exhausted.
So the whole, all of it, $7.
7. Sí. Es para no hago pro, güey. Güey, pues yo quiero esto nomás.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Alright, so I'm probably gonna get some hate for not giving this Lego set to the kid, but he didn't even ask me. He just kept saying he wanted it. If he would have said please, maybe I would have considered it, because I am nice most of the time, but for $100 profit, I'm glad I kept it. How's it going?
Looking for anything in particular?
Not really.
No? Okay. Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
Nice!
It's called The Dude Flips.
Nice!
Yeah.
Oh, very good. I like that. I like that.
You got any hidden gems you can point out or what?
Well, we have a pair of, so here's a hidden gem for you. These are made in Spain.
Uh-huh.
We valued them one time and they're a few $100.
Okay.
I don't know.
How much do you want for the boots?
I was asking 10 for the boots.
10 for the
Same.
Same for this. Do you know what car it goes to?
Yeah, my son-in-law would know. He's not here. He'll be back in 2 seconds.
Almost back here.
I mean, I could probably look it up. I'm just curious if you knew off the top. Did you do 15 for the pair?
Let me ask my husband.
Okay. Yeah. Do you know what this goes to, man?
It was just like aftermarket radio,
Oh, okay.
just old school.
So just any of the form factor?
Yeah, it was definitely meant for more of
You want to?
Yeah.
You can take that box if you want to put it in there.
I don't need all that. I'll just throw it in the truck.
You know,
Yeah.
those pigs.
That's funny. I don't know any pig fans.
Yeah, flipping is an art form, you know.
Yeah,
I
for
really-
sure,
I
for
really
sure.
admire people that do that.
88.
Yeah, it's fun. So.
88.
88. Perfect.
Yeah.
My math is good then.
Did you?
Sir, she was gonna ask if you do 15 for both of these.
For the radio and the boots?
Yeah.
Yo, Tay, you okay with that too?
15 for the radio and boots.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, what about the hat?
That's
Is that $1? Okay.
That's $1.
16 bucks?
Yeah.
Cool. What is this thing? Floating speaker?
Yeah, floating speaker.
How much on that?
Dustin, floating speaker.
$2?
Okay. 2 is a good number. So these are from Spain?
Yeah.
That's cool.
And so-
Alright, so 15,
So that was
16,
18.
18.
Yeah.
There's, I might have to
Okay.
get $2 back from you.
I'm gonna look you up.
Yeah, the Dude Flips.
Yeah, all right.
Check it out.
Very good.
Appreciate it. Yeah, you too. Thanks. Oh, excuse. Sneak by you. How's it going? Not bad, yourself?
Good.
How much is the gaming stuff?
My husband said Xbox is like 40,
Mm-hmm.
and then I don't. These are $1.
$1. And this one?
I don't even know what that is. Let me.
It's a Wii.
Oh, it's a Wii. Okay, let me.
Okay. And are you willing to sell any of the games separately? Cool. For the Xbox and the Wii, I usually don't pick them up unless they're super cheap, especially Xboxes, because most of them don't work. Hey, what's up? They always have some kind of issue.
I was gonna sell all that for 40.
40. And what about the Wii still?
50.
50.
Mm-hmm. That's a little bit better shape, you know, for a newer.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a gun back there too that fell out.
Mm. And you said you were willing to sell some of the games separate or no?
Sure.
Okay. Because I just got an Xbox, but
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'll buy some of the games.
Sure. That
Yeah.
was probably my favorite. Oddworld.
This one? Yeah.
Mhm.
I don't know if I played that one.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Get a bunch of different crazy weapons and it's got
that's
great
cool.
sound and
Sweet, sweet.
yeah, I mean, I just do $1 each. Grab
Okay.
as many as you want.
And the Wii 2?
Yeah, I think like Mario Kart, I might charge 5, but the rest, and Sports Resort, but the rest.
Okay.
Would be, yeah, that I mean, that's probably $5 one.
Okay.
It's got all those games in it.
Yeah. That's a classic.
Yeah, those are good. All Stars is great. Good too.
If I bought all these, would you do 3 a piece on these? And then these 2 would be 20 bucks.
That's a great deal. Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Go for it.
Sweet.
Had a lot of fun with those.
Yeah.
Just got tired of playing games.
It's harder to find time these days to sit down and
Yep, that's what happens.
enjoy one. Go. Alright. I appreciate it, y'all.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a great day. Alright, y'all. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a great 2024. And here's to next year being that much more cool. Really appreciate you watching. We picked up some awesome stuff at these sales. Gotta love that profit. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.